Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace and blessings be upon you all. In Islam, there are specific situations that require a Muslim to perform the major ritual bath, known as ghusl. This practice is not just about cleanliness, but an essential part of worship. So what are the situations that make ghusl mandatory? Let's find out. First, ghusl becomes obligatory after marital relations or when semen is discharged, whether while awake or during a dream. This major ritual bath is required to purify oneself before continuing with acts of worship. Second, for women, ghusl is required after the completion of menstruation or postnatal bleeding. By performing this major ritual bath, a Muslim woman regains her state of purity, allowing her to return to acts of worship such as prayer and fasting, as well as other devotional practices in peace. Third, when a Muslim passes away, they must be washed before being shrouded and buried. This ritual washing is both an act of purification and a final form of respect, as prescribed in Islamic teachings. In addition to the three obligatory situations, Islam also recommends performing ghusl for those who have newly embraced the faith. Through this ritual bath, a new Muslim marks their state of purity and begins their acts of worship in a condition of cleanliness and honor before Allah. These are the key situations that require a Muslim to perform ghusl. By maintaining purity through this ritual bath, we ensure that our acts of worship, such as prayer and fasting, are valid and, God willing, accepted by Allah. Keep learning and practicing Islam for a better and more blessed life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Muslim Way so you won't miss more beneficial Islamic knowledge.